Hey, everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today, I brought a buzz haircut for you. A buzz cut is a very short haircut, usually all around the head, and close to the scalp using electric clippers. It is a very low maintenance haircut, which is why it is popular among men and women in the military and those who are active in sports. Buzz cuts can also be worn for fashion reasons, and they can be tailored to suit different face shapes and hair types. Buzz cuts are very easy to care for. They require little to no styling, and they can be washed and dried quickly. Buzz cuts can be worn by people of all ages and genders. They can also be tailored to suit different face shapes and hair types. This cut is typically a very affordable haircut and can help to reduce the risk of head lice and other scalp problems. Buzz cuts can be styled in a variety of ways, depending on the length of the hair and the desired look. For a classic buzz cut, the hair is cut to the same length all over the head. For a more modern look, the hair can be tapered on the sides and back. Buzz cuts can also be styled with different types of products, such as pomade or wax, to add texture and definition. If you are new to buzz cuts, it is best to start with a longer length and then gradually shorten it as you get used to the look. Be sure to communicate your desired look to your stylist. Ask your stylist for tips on how to style and care for your buzz cut. For a round face, a buzz cut with tapered sides and back can help to elongate the face. Overall, buzz cuts are a versatile and low-maintenance haircut option that can be worn by people of all ages and genders. If you are looking for a haircut that is easy to care for and looks great, consider a buzz cut. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video on buzz cuts. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more hair and beauty content.